Introduction. Welcome to New Luxury Bike, your trusted channel for the latest updates on two-wheel innovations. Today, we explore the all-new 2025 Yamaha C1S, a futuristic scooter that blends electric performance, premium design, and cutting-edge technology. Yamaha has redefined what urban commuting looks like, and the C1S stands as proof of how the future of scooters is shaping up. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha C1S is crafted with a sleek, modern silhouette that emphasizes minimalism and sportiness. Its aerodynamic bodywork, sharp LED lighting, and futuristic curves make it stand out on city streets. Unlike traditional scooters, the C1S takes inspiration from Yamaha's sporty DNA, combining elegance with aggression. The flush-mounted panels, floating seat design, and lightweight aluminum frame enhance both aesthetics and performance. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Yamaha C1S is a next-generation electric motor that delivers instant torque, making city rides smoother and more responsive. It offers a top speed suitable for urban and suburban commuting while maintaining impressive acceleration. The scooter's lithium-ion battery pack is engineered for long-lasting performance, ensuring that riders can travel extended distances on a single charge. With quick charging technology, the C1S minimizes downtime and maximizes convenience. Technology and features. The Yamaha C1S is equipped with smart connectivity features, including a full-color TFT digital display that provides real-time information on speed, range, and riding modes. Bluetooth integration allows riders to connect their smartphones, enabling navigation, music control, and call management directly from the scooter's interface. Advanced riding modes let users customize their riding experience, balancing efficiency with performance. Additionally, regenerative braking contributes to energy recovery and improved efficiency. Comfort and practicality. Yamaha has focused on rider comfort with a spacious, well-padded seat and an ergonomically designed handlebar layout. The C1S features ample under-seat storage for helmets and personal items, while additional charging ports ensure that electronic devices stay powered during commutes. The suspension system is tuned to handle both smooth roads and rough patches, making it suitable for diverse urban conditions. Safety and innovation. Safety remains a priority in the C1S. Yamaha equips the scooter with ABS, traction control, and advanced braking systems for confident handling. LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility, while Smart Key technology brings added convenience and security. These innovations make the scooter a reliable partner for daily commuting and longer journeys. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha C1S is not just a scooter. It's a glimpse into the future of urban mobility. With its futuristic design,